In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epics in Trello in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to expand its capabilities, this guide will walk you through creating epics with ease, a process that can streamline your project management and enhance collaboration across your team. First, let's get started by navigating to Trello's website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Here, you'll need to log in using one of several available options. Choose Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack, or simply type in your email address. Once you're there, find the login button positioned at the upper right corner of the screen and click it. This will take you straight to your Trello dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, we move to the next step, installing the Epic Cards Power-Up. Trello calls its plugins power-ups, and the Epic Cards by Screenful is precisely what you need for managing epics. To add this power-up, navigate to the board where you want to manage these epic cards. Click on the Show menu button on the right side, then head to Power-Ups and search for Epic Cards by Screenful. Click Add and follow any installation instructions provided. Once you have the power-up set up, the next step is to designate your epic lists. An epic list on your Trello board serves as a container for your epic cards. Simply choose one or more lists on your board where you'd like these epic cards to reside. This step is crucial as it helps keep things organized and ensures that related tasks and projects are grouped together succinctly. Now that you have your epic lists, it's time to create your epic cards within those lists. Creating an epic card is similar to creating a regular card on Trello. Click Add a Card under your designated epic list, enter the name of your epic and hit Add Card. You can open the card and add details such as descriptions, checklists and attachments to give your team more information about that particular epic. With your epic cards created, it's now time to assign other cards to these epics. All you need to do is move any relevant cards that are part of your epic to the epic list. These will be automatically grouped under the appropriate epic card, tidy and organized. This makes it easy for you to track progress and see related tasks at a glance. And there you have it. You have successfully set up and organized epics in Trello. This method not only improves your workflow but makes your Trello board much more maneuverable. Don't hesitate to explore and tweak what works best for you and your team, and watch as you effortlessly harness the power of Trello for project management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips.